Welcome to our step-by-step guide on cleaning your bathroom exhaust fan, brought to you by Appliance Repair Richmond. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing dust buildup, enhancing air circulation, and extending the life of your fan. Before we begin, ensure safety first. Turn off the power at the breaker to avoid any electrical hazards. Let's gather our tools: a screwdriver, vacuum with a brush attachment, microfiber cloth, mild soap, and optionally, some compressed air. To start, gently pull down the fan cover, squeeze the metal clips and detach it. Wash the cover in warm soapy water and let it dry completely. Next, focus on the fan blades and motor. Use a vacuum or compressed air to clear away dust, then wipe down with a cloth. As you clean, check for any loose wiring or worn-out parts that might need attention. Once everything's spotless, it's time for reassembly. Carefully reattach the cover, restore power, and test your fan to ensure it's operating smoothly. By following these steps, you not only improve air quality, but also reduce the risk of mold and fire hazards. For more expert advice and appliance care, remember, Appliance Repair Richmond is here to help. Keep your home safe and efficient.